So here's the pond built by US Koi Ponds. It's 4 feet deep and the dimensions are roughly 15 feet by 4 feet. As you can see, the client didn't have much room, but they wanted a koi pond because they have this wonderful swimming pool here. So this was our only area. And I think one thing I want to mention, when you have someone build you a pond, make sure, at least it's a pet peeve of mine, make sure that no pipes are showing. I mean, I've seen so many ponds that people build or have someone build and there's always pipes sticking somewhere. In this case, it's all clean. You can't see a single pipe on this pond. And that's why it took us a little bit longer, because we had to plan very carefully where to put everything. See, no pipes. Everything is running inside the walls. That's just the downspout for the gutter that we have to move from that location over to here and reroute the drainage line under all this concrete, so we can build a pond. I mean, there were many restrictions, but we pull it over. And if you're wondering, so where's the filtration system at? Well, we got very creative and we run everything through the brick wall into the garage. And here it is. So again, it's roughly a 1,400 gallon pond. So we don't need much filtration. They're only gonna have about 10 koi. So we're running Evolution Aqua bead filter with a 25,000 Periha pump. Actually, two 25,000s. They're pulling about 3,000 gallons an hour. This one runs the waterfalls. And we have to build a manifold to control the flow to each one of the waterfalls. And the other one runs 24/7. And that runs through the bead filter, UV light, 55 watt UV light, and back to the pond through 2 wall returns. So everything except the pumps, everything Evolution Aqua. We had an autofill, so the client doesn't have to worry about evaporation, or when it rains, it overflows to the drainage. So we're gonna cover that somehow. We're still trying to figure out how to put drywall and cover the hole that we had to make. But that's the filtration system. And the lights, everything's run, underwater lights, and then the waterfall lights. We try to do some cable management, but they're working, which is important. My electrician run us all the circuits the way it should be, done by a professional, and we still need to put the cover plate on that, I just realized. So anyways, just want to show it to you. Again, here it is. Oh, it has 2 bottom drains, I forgot to mention. It has 2 bottom drains. Right now I have the air off just for the video. But it runs 2 bottom drains. And the glass, again, never ever use acrylic. Use laminated tempered glass. It's about 1 inch thick, or 2.5 inch with the laminate. And the glass is 6 feet by 2 feet. Or 24 inches high. And I mean, it will never ever bow. This thing is solid. You can kick it, punch it, and it's not gonna go anywhere. And the waterfalls change color. They're multicolor LEDs. And that's it. There's a skimmer right there. Even though there's gonna be a pergola over here that's gonna get built probably next week or the following one after Thanksgiving. So we don't expect much. And there's no trees around here. But anyhow, that's it. Hope you enjoy it. Dennis from US Koi Ponds. Check it out. Bye.